Welcome back to Jude's Tiny House Truck Travels, where we talk about what's on the menu today. Breakfast consists of toasted Vogel's original mixed grain bread slathered with a bit of butter and some mashed bananas and a nice strong cup of tea. And of course the best place to have it is the window seat, looking out into the world, seeing what's going on. Lunch is next. I have a fairly big meal for my lunch. I make it the main meal of the day. For summer I love these wraps because I'm not a big fan of bread. So I pile it all up with lots of yummy goodies. Then just flip it over and it turns into a sandwich. Around mid-afternoon I have a smoothie made from full cream milk and whatever fruit I can find at the time, like pears, mangoes, peaches, pretty much whatever's available at the time. For tea I like to have something a little bit lighter. So here we have some more of the Vogel's mixed grain bread with some feta dip, avocado with bacon. Washing that down with an apple juice. And last but not least is pudding. I've got to have that sweet treat at the end of the day.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure to share with all your friends and subscribe to the channel because there'll be more up soon.